The counsel cannot
We will
dictate
not
how I
agree,
will
Your
proceed with
Honor.
my cross-examination. Can the counsel, Your Honor, be reminded that I will
counsel
cross-re-examine?
We will not agree, Your Honor, to
What are you not agreeing
presentation
to,
of the
Attorney
defense
Kapunan?
documents.
I'm sorry?
Because precisely there was no stipulation yesterday.
There was,
They
Your
are now
Honor.
constrained. Excuse me, counsel.
Allow her to finish,
They are
counsel.
now constrained, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Mga kabayan, muling nagkainitan ang mga abogado na magkabilang panig kahapon. Ito ay sa pagpapatuloy ng ika-15 araw ng impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Makikitang kinumpronta ng abogado ni VP Sara ang COA opisyal dahil sa mga questionabling dokumento na ipinresinta nito, bagay na agad namang dumepensa si Atty. Kapunan bilang prosecutor. Eto, panoorin natin ang naging bangayan kahapon sa pagpapatuloy ng paglilitis.
Sa umpisa pa lang ng ika-15 araw ng impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte kahapon, nagkainitan agad ang magkabilang panig sa paggamit ng mga dokumento sa cross-examination. Kinwestiyon ni Private Prosecutor Attorney Lorna Kapunan ang pagpapakita ng depensa ng sarili nitong kopya ng Audit Observation Memorandum o AOM kay COA IPCAO Auditor Sailin May Del Campo. Gid ni Kapunan, dapat gamitin ng depensa ang kopya ng prosekusyon dahil ang mga dokumento nito ang nauna nang na-identify ng saksi sa direct examination. Ngunit ayon kay Defense Counsel Attorney Christine Ferrer, pareho lamang ang kanilang mga kopya at hindi dapat diktahan ng prosekusyon kung paano niya isasagawa ang cross-examination. Pinayagan naman ni Presiding Officer Senator Judge Francis Chis Escudero ang depensa na gamitin ng sarili nitong kopya habang itinala ang continuing objection ng prosekusyon. Bagamat may pagtutol, nagpatuloy ang cross-examination ni Ferrer kay Del Campo gamit ang mga dokumentong inihanda ng depensa.
The counsel cannot
We will
dictate
not
how I
agree,
will
Your
proceed
Honor.
with my cross-examination. Can the counsel, Your Honor, be reminded that I will
counsel
We
cross-re-examine?
will not agree, Your Honor, to
What are you not
presentation
agreeing
of
to,
the
Attorney
defense
Kapunan?
documents.
I'm sorry?
Because precisely there was no stipulation yesterday.
There
They are
was, Your
now
Honor.
constrained. Excuse me, counsel.
Allow her to finish,
They are
counsel.
now constrained, Your Honor. I'm sorry. They are now constrained to use our documents precisely. This is what we wanted to avoid yesterday. Had we did a comparison, not to belabor the obvious, Your Honor, but now counsel says, anyway, it's the same. So if it's the same, what's the objection to using the prosecution's document?
Counsel, that water is already under the bridge. You may request assisting counsel to check the copy being presented to Ms. Eileen, and you may make this the subject matter of your redirect later on.
If the name appears to be funny, does that automatically mean that the name is fictitious? Kasi nga, may mga flash po na ARs dito.
Your Honor, please, the question is misleading. The point of flashing these acknowledgement receipts were not the names. The names were incidental, that the names were funny or fruit salady or names of congressmen or senators, Your Honor, is immaterial. They were flashed because of the manner by which the funds were used.
Your
For
Honor.
medicine, Your Honor.
Counsel,
explaining.
Attorney Kapunan, you have to admit you had fun. You had fun with the names
We had
too
so
when
much
you were
fun,
using
Your
it.
Honor, but the-
Exactly. So
That's
let her cross the witness based on those and
Please, Attorney
utilize it as well.
Yeah. Oh, so ayun po, no, kung nakakatawa ho ba yung pangalan, automatic fictitious na yon.
Your Honor, again,
Yes,
fictitious.
counsel.
Just for the record, fictitious is her own conclusion. We have made no such conclusion as regards to the name, except perhaps that they are funny.
Your Honor,
Well, counsel, actually, that's not entirely accurate because in the complaint, you did allude to the fact that some of the names are fictitious based on the PSA documents that you attached as an annex to the complaint, although you're not yet there. You haven't gotten there yet. Please continue, Attorney Christine.
yes.
Attorney Kapunan, give her her share of fun with the names.
Hindi ko po siya masasagot kasi
Hindi mo siya masasagot, meaning,
hindi ko na wala po namang yung sa name po kasi hindi ko masasagot kung
totoo o hindi.
oo, opo,
Okay.
tama.
So, in short, hindi mo masasabi na porket nakakatawa yung pangalan, peke na yon. Yun ba yung sinasabi ninyo?
Parang hindi po ako makakasagot.
Hiniling ng depensa ni Vice President Sara Duterte sa impeachment court na pigilan ang side comments ng counsel for the House prosecutors na si Attorney Lorna Capunan. Ayon kay Defense Counsel Attorney Christine Ferrer, walang lugar sa courtroom ang mga ganitong pahayag at dapat igalang ang kapwa-abogado. Ito'y matapos ang ilang komento ni Capunan habang tinututulan ang cross-examination ni Ferrer kay COA Auditor Sailin May del Campo. Binigyang diin ni Ferrer na lahat sila ay mga profesional at dapat iwasan ang mga komentong maaring makuha ng media.
I would like to ask this court to not allow side comments like I was about to spank her, yung mga I was about to lecture her kasi yung mga ganun ho, Your Honor. Wala ho yung lugar dito sa courtroom because we are all lawyers here, we are all professionals. Igalang naman ho natin yung kapwa natin na lawyer. Halimbawa, at kagaya nito, mas matanda ho sa akin si Attorney Capunan, maybe she has more years of experience. She has 48 years, I have 15. We should learn to respect each other and refrain from making side comments, Your Honor. And that was captured by the media po. So, that is our request, Your Honor, to just, remind the counsel not to make those kinds of remarks. Thank you.
I hope it was also part of the records that I promised to behave.
Kahapon tumaas rin ang tensyon sa impeachment court matapos na magpalitan ng argumento ang parehong panig tungkol sa paraan ng pagtatanong sa witness mula sa COA.
Your Honor, please, I am preventing myself from giving her a spanking, Your Honor. That is what I would
Your
have
Honor,
done
please.
in the
counsel.
generational divide, Your Honor.
I have, high respect for Attorney Capunan. In fact, she's one of
You
my
can end
idols.
there, counsel.
Let's end here. Let's end here.
You can end there.
This might
with the
sound like a,
respect.
it might sound like a eulogy, Your Honor. I'm still very much alive.
Ipinaliwanag ni Attorney Ferrer na hindi niya nais na maging confrontational kay Attorney Capunan at sinabing hindi niya ito kinukulit sa pagtatanong nito sa mga nakaraang araw.
Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. at ang buong puwersa ng pamahalaan patuloy na nakabantay sa sama ng panahon dulot ng pinagsamang habagat, Tropical Storm Luis at Bagyong Maymay. Kaninang umaga, pinangunahan ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. ang situation briefing kasama ang lahat ng ahensya nakabantay sa kaligtasan ng taumbayan sa mga apektadong lugar. Ipinag-utos din ng Pangulo na agad na tiyaking naabot ang lahat ng mga apektadong residente, lalong-lalo na sa malalayong lugar. Siniguro rin ng Pangulo na mabigyan ng tulong ang lahat ng mga apektado, kabilang na yung mga residenteng nakabalik sa kani-kanilang tahanan mula sa mga evacuation centers.